Hello everyone, and welcome. I'm excited to be taking you on a journey into the world of pre-implantation genetic testing, or PGT, a fascinating area where cutting-edge science intersects with the very essence of life. Over the next few minutes, we'll be breaking down some of the key terms and concepts associated with PGT. Whether you're just starting to explore fertility options, or you're already deep into the world of IVF, understanding these terms can empower you to ask the right questions and make the most informed choices for your family. So, let's dive in. Pre-implantation genetic testing, or PGT, allows us to screen embryos for genetic abnormalities before implantation. IVF, or in vitro fertilization, is a process where eggs are fertilized with sperm in a lab setting. An embryo is the earliest stage of development after a fertilized egg begins to divide. So, a genetic defect is basically a permanent alteration in the DNA sequence that makes up a gene. Chromosomal abnormalities, well, they involve errors in the number or structure of our chromosomes. Conditions like cystic fibrosis, for example, are caused by a mutation in a single gene. Unlike single-gene disorders, polygenic disorders are influenced by multiple genes. A blastocyst is an advanced stage of embryo development, usually reached by day 5. During a biopsy, a small sample of cells is removed from the embryo for testing. Next-generation sequencing, or NGS, is a really powerful technology that lets us analyze both DNA and RNA for genetic variations. Pre-implantation genetic diagnosis, or PGD, is used to identify specific genetic conditions, which are often inherited from the parents. Pre-implantation genetic screening, or PGS, screens for chromosomal abnormalities in embryos, and this actually increases the chances of a successful pregnancy. Embryo transfer is, well, the delicate process of placing the selected embryo back into the uterus. Carrier screening helps determine if parents carry genes for certain genetic disorders. Fertility specialists are doctors who, specialize in diagnosing and treating infertility. So, PGT raises some really important ethical questions about genetic selection and what happens to embryos after testing. Success rates basically refer to the percentage of IVF cycles that actually result in a live birth. Counseling provides emotional support and guidance throughout the IVF and PGT process. Genetic counselors help individuals understand their risk for inherited conditions and make informed decisions. Cryopreservation is the freezing of embryos for future use, and it's actually a critical part of IVF. I hope this glossary of terms has helped demystify the world of PGT. As with any medical procedure, knowledge is power. The more you understand about the science and the options available, the better equipped you'll be to make choices that are right for you and your future family. If any of these terms sparked your curiosity, don't hesitate to do more research or reach out to a healthcare professional for more information. Remember, every journey to parenthood is unique and beautiful. Understanding the tools available to us is simply a part of that journey.